The lecture will focus on the disarray that currently exists in the field of sleep disordered breathing. It's a mess. It's a mess because, on the one hand, the index that's used for quantitating sleep apnea, the apnea-hypopnea index, is not useful in predicting long-term outcomes that we worry about so much: heart attacks, strokes, and death. It does not predict these. On the other hand, standard medical therapy, which is nasal continuous positive airway pressure, cannot be shown to have beneficial long-term clinical effects. So together, this means that we have a poor index and a poor treatment. The new era will be the arrival of a new index called hypoxic burden, which looks at the drop in oxygen caused by sleep apnea, and it does in fact predict catastrophic cardiovascular events and all-cause mortality. On the other hand, we have a new treatment, the precision oral appliances, which have been shown to be more efficacious and in the long run undoubtedly be shown to improve long-term clinical outcomes. I'm John Remmers, and I'm here to urge you to join me October 5 through 7 in Calgary this fall.